Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ryobi One Reciprocating Saw and Multi-Tool. These tools can come in a set together. This saw is pretty easy to handle. The trigger can be locked to prevent accidental turn on, as you can see there. Okay, I'm going to show you in here where the blade goes in. The blade locks in with this lever here. You can use it to unlocking the blade, if you can see it in there moving. So that's that. This other tool here, it doesn't reciprocate, it more like vibrates, and it has a locking feature and the trigger as well, and you can adjust the settings for right here. You adjust the settings for how intense you need it to vibrate. You can use it like kind of a scraping tool or whatever other needs you need it for. It has a light at the end of it, but I'm going to go ahead and put the batteries in these so you could see how they operate. Okay, batteries in the reciprocating saw now, and turn it on. And you can see how it moves there, and you can adjust the speed with the trigger for this one as well. Let me show you the vibrating tool. Okay, I got the battery in the multi-tool now, and you can see it turns on. See the light came on there. And I'm going to adjust the speed on it of it vibrating. And you can see it doesn't spin. It's a more vibrating tool, so you can use it for like scraping and sanding as well. So I hope this review helps.